Hey, in this section, we're going to go over downloading the top 100,000 products in Sourcing Secret. And you can do that in any of these 11 platforms you see. So you can just select anything US, UK, Germany, etc. Australia will be coming soon, or you may already see it depending on when you're watching this video. So all we have to do is select the category. The platform is going to be set to US. And this is the page where you see when you log in. But you can, at any time, you can just click on products. It's going to take you right back here. And you can select any of these platforms. So if we wanted to see the top 100,000 products in the categories in UK. They're going to be different. Each country is slightly different. I believe there's 25 in the UK and there's 23 in the US. They actually took the categories for for luggage and all that stuff, and split them up into multiple categories. So we have a few extras in the UK, and then the ones that are in other languages. We've also I actually hired people that are native to those languages to translate everything. So if we look at Germany, we'll see the actual category names for Germany, and then in parentheses we put the US translations, even Japan, China, all those. And again, we're only showing you the ones you can do arbitrage in. So you don't have to worry about getting stuff that you can't really sell, things like digital products and apps and gift cards and stuff like that just won't work. Then, we've excluded those. So we're going to go back over to the US. So as I said, here in the US, there's 23 different categories we can do arbitrage in at this point. And you can select any of these. And I'm just going to do toys as an example, but this will work with any platform, with any category. So we're going to click on download. And then once that loads, it takes a minute because it's pulling most of this data live. And you can then select, you have a few different options, actually 4 different options currently. The first one, the CSV files, we've taken the top 100,000 products and we split them up into 4 files of 25,000 lines each. And the reason for this is because most of the bigger tools that we use have 25,000 line limits. So if we use Tactical Arbitrage or OA X-Ray or Scan Power Evaluate or some of the other ones, they all have limits of 25,000 lines. So we split those up for you. List of ASINs, and you can just click on them. It's an immediate download. Literally almost everything you see here is going to take about a second to download. And once we download that, then you can just upload that file right into Tactical Arbitrage or whatever you're using. With Tactical Arbitrage, it's already in the correct format, so you won't have to do anything. You don't have to even open these files. You just download them and then upload them into Tactical Arbitrage. The next option is the full data file. So when you download these, you don't need to do this for Tactical Arbitrage because all they really need is the ASIN. So what's going to happen with these is you get the title, you get the brand, you get the ASIN, the UPC, a buy box price if there is one. If Amazon's competing with you, if Amazon's ever competed with you, direct links to the Amazon page, direct link to, the Keepa page, average 30-day, 90-day pricing. So you get all that. So if you want to do your own research, look at those lists, and actually have, get a full view of that, then you'll be able to do that with the CSV full data files. The next one is a single list of the ASINs, the top 100,000 ASINs, as one single file. So if you don't want it split into the 25,000 lines, you can get those as a single file, and also the top 500,000 if it's available. I know there's still a couple categories that don't quite have that much, so you'll get what's available, but if it has at least 500,000, you'll get that. And again, that's a list of the ASINs. Now, you're also able to subscribe to them. So the subscribe button that you'll see all over sourcing secret is so you'll get it's a subscription that will send those to you. Everything's updated every day, so you'll get those once a day. So you'll get an email or multiple emails, because we set a 10 megabyte limit, because some of the mail software, Gmail, Yahoo, a lot of those had limits on the size, so they just wouldn't even go through. So we've limited those to 10 megabytes. So if it's more than 10 megabytes, you'll get multiple emails every day. And these are actually file attachments. It's not a link to log in or a link to go somewhere else. So if you have a VA, you have a business partner, whatever you have going on that you need to share those files with somebody, you can just forward those emails to them. And there's also a setting for an additional email in the settings section, but we'll go over that in a different video. Now, so if you hit subscribe, you'll get whatever you subscribe to as an attachment every day until you unsubscribe by going to the settings and doing that. And you can subscribe to basically any of these lists, multiple lists, as many as you want. Just remember, you're getting full attachment. Some of these files do get big, so you'll be getting a lot of data, but it's very easy to unsubscribe. And that's about it. You hit subscribe, you'll get it in your mailbox, and then that'll go on forever.